If you have collections on your report and you want it removed off your credit report, you must follow this 4-step process that's going to allow you to delete those collections without you waiting 7 long years. Step 1, you want to get access to a tri-merge credit report. Let me show you what I'm talking about. When you get access to your tri-merge credit report, you can see right here the details. Now with that collection, you're going to see the details within the account. The details within the account is going to allow you to remove that collection off of your report. Let me explain. If you go to, second thing you want to do is, if you go to this law, right? I'm going to show you 15 USC 1681 EB, right? I'm going to paraphrase it. That specific law basically says whenever a consumer reporting agency, which is Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, prepares your credit report, it must follow reasonable procedures to assure maximum possible accuracy. So when you look at your tri-merge report, you're going to see that, hey, it's not assuring maximum possible accuracy. You look at all the details, the open date, date last active, date last payment, even the account history is not assuring maximum possible accuracy. And by it not assuring maximum possible accuracy, it gives you the ability to remove it off your credit report without you waiting 7 long years. And I'm going to show you how to create a specific letter to knock the credit bureaus out. Let me show you. Hold on. Before I break down the specific letter, if you want access to this letter completely for free, comment the word free below and I'll send it over to you. All right. Now let's break down this letter really quick so you can understand what I'm talking about. So you're going to put today's, or you're going to have your, first name, your address, but you're going to put today's date to Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, right? And then from there, you're going to say, I was looking over my report and I noticed these accounts listed below are not assuring maximum possible accuracy. According to the Fair Credit Reporting Act, delete this account below for a violation of the Fair Credit Reporting Act. All right. So step 3, right, is screenshotting that account. That's why the tri-merge account is very important that you want to have. So screenshot the account, right? Once you screenshot the negative account, then you're going to have the account name and account number. So the account name is going to be at the top, right? The collection, and then the account number is going to be right there. Just put whatever there's there. You don't need the full account number, but the other monitoring places, you're not going to be able to get access to the account number. So this is the reason why you want to get access to the specific tri-merge report. I'm going to show you how to get access to everything once you comment free below, right? So it's going to say this account is reported. This account is being reported with multiple factual inconsistencies and incomplete data, violating the Fair Credit Reporting Act's requirement for maximum possible accuracy. Here's the law. Delete account immediately for violation of 15 USC 1681 EB. Step 4 is creating your letter and sending it to Experian, TransUnion, Equifax, and you must add 2 to 3 forms of identifications: driver's license, proof of residency, and social security card, or you can put your passport, and you want to send that letter certified. Give it about 30 to 35 days. Now, if you want access to that letter and the instructions that I just explained, comment free below and I'm going to send everything over to you.
Hold up, wait. Don't forget to grab the #1 free credit repair letter in America, completely free. It's the secret letter. Go to freesecretletter.com. The link is also going to be pinned to the comments. Go grab it, use it for your first round, and get results.